Mommy Pig and Daddy Pig, can I have pasta instead?
No, we are not having pasta, Peppa. We having meatloaf, peas and mashed potatoes.
But I don't like meatloaf, peas and mashed potatoes. Why can't I have pasta instead?
Because we're having meatloaf, peas and mashed potatoes for dinner. Now eat your dinner before it gets cold.
Your father is right. Peppa. Look at George and Rebecca and Richard.
My glasses are very better.
That's pretty. That's good. Peppa. Oh no. This glasses was stupid.
Oh. Peppa. We do not call glasses stupid. That's it, you're grounded for. 26598765436781122000000 years. Go to bed now.